Hey PT fam, I'm Jake Racker, and I wanted to spend a minute with you guys today talking about my position on the Student Assembly Board of Directors, which is the Nominating Committee Chair. So my official role as the Nominating Committee Chair is to oversee the elections process. That's kind of why we're doing this video for next year's Student Assembly Board of Directors, and to help mentor the Nominating Committee Chair-elect who will step into the role as Nominating Committee Chair in the following year. Even though those are my official duties, for the board, there's so much more to this position that I love and that I really find value in devoting my time to this service. Helping students reflect on their strengths and then helping them find places to use those strengths to serve not only our profession, but to serve their professional development. That's really what I love about this position, is talking to students, getting to know what you guys love and the way that you guys best work. If you love having conversations and love team building, or have any other questions about this position or any others on the board, please email me at aptasa.ncchair@gmail.com. Hope to be getting a lot of emails, and I'll talk to you guys soon.